How to use Google Lens in laptop. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google on your laptop. Then, in the search bar, you'll find Google Lens option. Simply click on Google Lens option. Then you'll find drag an image here or upload a file. You can also paste image link at the bottom. Click on upload a file, which will open your folder. Click on the image you want to search and press on open. After that, it will search everything related to the picture. You can click on all and you'll see all or exact matches, products, homework, visual matches, or about this image as well. And this is how to use Google Lens in laptop. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.